Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Payoneer Amazon payout delay. So I'll start with the first step, which is to check the payout hold banner. So log into Amazon Seller Central and open payments. So if there's a yellow payout on hold, action required banner, your disbursement is paused. So you have to click on the go to account health to see the exact reason. So it can be verification, policy issue, or bank mismatch. Next is verify your Payoneer deposit method. So go to settings, tap on the account info, then go to deposit methods. So if your Payoneer virtual bank account shows verification pending, then the routing or the account numbers need reconfirming. So click on the row and resubmit the details exactly as they appear in Payoneer. Next is confirm a Payoneer receiving account. So open the Payoneer web dashboard, click on the receiving accounts, then make sure that your USD account status is active. So ready to receive, and then copy the routing ABA and the account numbers and cross-check them against what you entered in Amazon. Next is open a support case with Amazon. So in the Seller Central, go to Help, tap on Contact Us, and then choose Payments. So tap on the disbursement issues or subject payout on hold, then request review. So reference your Payoneer account and ask for a manual review. So cases typically get a response within 24 to 48 hours. Lastly is confirm payout received in Payoneer. So once the hold clears, Amazon releases the disbursement. So click on or check the Payoneer, then go home, and then you will see a green "You have received the amount from Amazon" banner and the transaction in your history. So the payout delay is fixed. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!